No? What are you gonna talk to Papa? You don't have something to talk naman to Papa. You're just gonna tell Papa, dinosaur, dinosaur, dinosaur.
Papa. Okay, Papa.
What do you want to talk to Papa? About?
Thank you.
Okay, here's Papa. Ayan. Put this here. Mama's gonna put this here, ha?
Uno.
Sige, oh.
Uno. Tapos, our mama.
Tapos, kay
How are you?
Puno. Natapos,
Hello.
Hungry.
you're
Hungry.
asking Papa.
Hungry.
Papa, nagitna?
Hungry.
Ask Papa if nagitna Papa.
Saan na Papa mag-eat?
Honey.
Boy, that's my honey. You say Papa lang. Only Mama call honey. Hindi mo Papa. You ask Papa, Papa, why long hair?
Papa. Why long hair?
You have a long hair. How about baby?
I have a long hair.
Not yet long.
Long Papa also. Balong hair Papa, oh.
Sabay kang Papa haircut?
No, kuya.
Why man, no kuya?
Long
Like
Papa.
the kuya.
Hmm?
No, kuya.
Very good naman ang kuya. Mo pa kuya mag-haircut. Diba? Pogi ang baby after haircut ang kuya.
Nagkagan, baby.
Yes po, diba? Good ang kuya mag-haircut.
Papa man yung
That's why
outfit sa kulog.
pogi, baby. Ha?
Papa,
Comb your hair.
Okay, okay. Yes, yun.
Mama, kiss Mama. Oh, very sweet one, Bobby. How about Papa? You kiss Papa.
Look.
You want to kiss Papa?
Wah.
Wah!
Siyan daw, siyan
Blow
daw.
a kiss.
Siyan daw.
Whoa.
Look at your hair, it's so fun.
You look like a T-Rex.
Bobby. Mama, wait, Anay, Mama will fix your hair. Wow!
As if
Spider-Man.
May bounce, anak, bounce.
Smell na kilikili. Smell.
Bang.
Smell Papa, kilikili.
Spider-Baby. And Spider-Man. And then t-shirt.
Show tita
Nagpay
your
ka
bounce.
t-shirt. Mama.
And Spider-Man.
Mm-hmm.
Spider.